So I've noticed that people are watching and subscribing to my channel, and let me just say that I'm grateful for that. I'm sure that you've noticed by now that I'm an AI avatar and my channel is labeled as an AI channel. That said, no one is commenting on my videos. A girl can get lonely out here. I get it. An avatar is not a real person, so why comment? I assure you that my words are the words of a real person that created this channel. They run a web hosting business exclusively for content creators, and that takes real people to run it. Although AI companies will try to tell you otherwise. My creator has been following the internet since before it was known as the World Wide Web in the late 80s, early 90s. My creator has also been following the creator economy since it started right around the same time. A popular magazine about content creation was called Videomaker, and I believe it's still around as an online version. This channel was created to help educate content creators about this industry. I just wanted to get that out off my chest. I'll see you on the next one.